Hey guys, Vincent here from Card and Cloud, and I'm in a mini warehouse that we put together in our office. What I want to run you through today is the new replenishment functionality. So how you can use the web app in conjunction with the mobile app in order to shift stock from the bulk locations down to the pick faces. So what we're assuming here is that the stock on my right is the bulk locations, and we've got some pick faces on my left. Now I've got a replenishment which has already been created through the web application. And in here there's 3 different products which need to be moved, all from location A0102 down to B010102 and B010202. So I'm going to walk you through that process. Now with the first product that's listed on here, it's actually a single product and there's a total of 100 quantity that need to be shifted. Now the reason why it's separated over 2 different lines is because normally I would only replenish 50 of this item at a time. But because I have incoming sales order demand that requires a total of 100 of this item, I'm actually replenishing a total of 100. So that's what the sale order demand yes means in this line here. So to do this first movement, I'm going to move the stock from A0102 down to the floor. So the first thing I do is grab my scanner, come along, scan the label, it brings it up, and I can see, yep, I've got 100 units here in A0102, perfect, and I can literally just take this, put it down here, and then scan the receiving location twice to have it move in. Awesome. So that movement's been completed. I'm done with that first line. On here, now this is designed the same as the paperwork that you can print out to do this instead of using a tablet, but you just come along and press done. And that's just simply so that you can keep track of where you're up to within the replenishment. The done button has no impact on the actual move. It's simply a visual cue as you work your way through the replenishment. With the next product, the drink bottle lid, I've got 3 that I need to move from A0102 into this location here. Now, this replenishment has a variance listed. So if I tap into this variances button, on the next screen, what I can see is that generally I would be replenishing 10 of this product at a time. However, I've only got 3 of these left in stock, and so I can only replenish a total of 3 to my pick face. So what we've done is we've just made it really clear where you've got, issues where, hey, you can't replenish what you normally would, and that would occur if you just simply don't have enough of the product available. So that's fine. I'm just going to replenish my 3 which remain. So again, I'll come along, I'll scan my location because I don't have any labels on these particular boxes, and it's brought up that I have the 3 drink bottle lids. And again, I can just literally take these, put them into my receiving pick face location, and scan that location twice to confirm where they're going. And finished. So back to the back to the tablet. I'm done with this one. And the final step is that you should finish the replenishment. And the reason why you should do this is it triggers the sales orders that are pending to look for the best possible stock. So in this example, looking for pick face location stock that they can take from. So I press finish replenishment, complete it, and in the background, any of the sales orders that require any of these items would have been re-optimized, and they'll now be looking for this. So that's the process of how you work through it using a tablet and the scanning gun. Simple as that to move the stock around through the warehouse.